Here's how to add another iPhone to Find My iPhone. Now, the first thing that you can do is head into the Find My app. So let's swipe all the way over to the app library. And in the app library, let's search for Find My and open that up. This will show you all of the people, devices, and items that are associated with your account. Let's say you wanted to be able to track either your someone or their device, their iPhone. You can do it two different ways. One is you can add them as a person. You can see here BJ Nace, Aaron Nace, Haley Nace. Essentially, you can add them so that you'll be able to track them, aka their iPhone, or you can add their device individually, add their phone. So to do that, what you're going to do on the other device, so not on your phone, but the other iPhone, get into the Find My app, make sure it's on People here, and then tap on the plus at the top right. You can see Share My Location. If I tap on Share My Location, all I need to do is start typing in their phone number or their name here, and you'll be able to text them a link to share your location. So let's say if I choose this person, I can tag them and I can hit the check mark, and I can choose to share it indefinitely for forever until the end of the day or for 1 hour. Now that's your first option to be able to share your location with that person, and then you'll be able to see their location. However, if you instead wanted to see their device on the devices list, you wanted to add another iPhone, not necessarily a person, you need to hop out of here and instead go into your settings. Once you open up your settings, you can tap on your name at the very top. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see here are a couple devices. These are two devices that are signed into the exact same Apple ID. So that on that other device, you either need to sign into the exact same Apple ID or you need to create a family. You can see I can tap on family here, and all of these people are in my Apple ID family. If you haven't set it up, you can always just set it up with your mom, your dad, your sibling, whoever it may be, and then you'll be able to see all their devices, because you can see here, if I go to the Find My app and I go to devices, I can see, for instance, Aaron's devices, and I can scroll down to Barbara's devices, etc. So I can see other people's devices through here. Now, if this doesn't work or the Find My option is not working on that other device to share it on your phone, you're going to go into the settings and make sure it is turned on. So within the Apple account here, you can see Find My. Tap on that. And the first thing that they need to do, again, on the other phone to be able to share their location, tap on Find My iPhone, make sure Find My iPhone is turned on, Find My Network is turned on, and Send Last Location are all turned on. The next thing we'll do is go back and make sure My Location is set to this device and Share My Location is turned on. Now, all you need to do, again, is to either add the exact same Apple ID account on that device, just log into the same account, or if you don't necessarily want to do that, you can always just add them as a family member on your Apple ID account, and then you'll be able to track their device.